Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu states, while we were sitting in the company of Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu addressing us said, who of you had heard Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioning strifes? Some of the people said, we have heard. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, you are perhaps mistaking the strifes for those trials which a man faces in connection with his household, property, and neighbors. They replied in the positive. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, those trials are expiated by prayer, fasting, and poor dew. But has anyone of you heard about those trials which will surge out like tides? Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, when all the people became quiet, I said that I had heard about them. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, may Allah Jalla Jalaluhu show mercy to your father, whom Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has blessed with a son like you. You certainly have heard it. Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, the strifes will float through the people's heart in succession in the same way as the straw of a mat are closely bound with one another, and the heart which will accept any one of these trials will receive a black mark in it, and the heart which will reject it will receive a white mark in it. Thus, in that era, hearts will be of two kinds, one white like a white stone which will not be harmed by anything as long as the heavens and the earth endure, and the other black like an inverted black spouted ewer, which will neither do a good deed nor reject the evil, but only act as per its yearnings. Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said to Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu, but there is a locked door between you and those trials, which will soon be broken. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, that will be broken. May your father not remain. If that door had been opened, that could have been closed again. Hazrat Huzaifa radiyallahu anhu said, nay, that will be broken, and that door symbolizes a person who will be killed, and it is a straightforward and self-illustrating point, not a riddle. Abu Khalid said that he said to Saad, O Abu Malik, what is the meaning of Aswad Marbad? He said, extreme whiteness in a black thing. I asked what the meaning of Kawzu Majkhia is. He replied, an inverted spouted ear. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 367.